Remove duplicate accounts from credit report fast. If the same account is showing more than once on your credit report, that is called duplicate reporting, and it can hurt your score. Here's what you need to do. First, pull all 3 credit reports. Second, identify accounts with the same balance, same creditor, or same account details listed more than once. This is a violation under the Fair Credit Reporting Act if it is inaccurate or misleading. Now dispute it. State clearly, this account is duplicated and violates accuracy requirements under FCRA. Please remove the duplicate entry. Send your dispute to all 3 bureaus. Removing duplicates can increase your score quickly because it lowers your overall negative impact. Don't ignore this. It's one of the fastest wins in credit repair. If you want more step-by-step strategies like this, make sure you subscribe.